Hi, I'm Rachel Carter and I'm going to show you how to make some paper sculptures using materials like these fantastic paper straws. So open your kit and let's get started. Inside your kit you will find all sorts of materials and we're going to create these little seed sculptures together. For the demonstration I'm going to use the maple seed, and here's one that I've just made. We're going to use a weaving technique to make the little seed, and we're going to use pipe cleaners to make this lovely leaf part. So let's get started. Select 5 paper straws from your bundle. Give them a little tap and then you're going to secure the end with an elastic band. Wrap it round a few times just to hold them in place and leave the band a few centimetres away from the bottom. Holding the small section, you're going to bend each paper straw carefully over the top of the elastic band. We're aiming to get a nice star shape, so try and bend them and fan them out equally. Turn it over and we're going to start our weaving. Select the straw nearest you and bend it over 2 straws. Hold and turn. Take the one underneath, fold over, turn. Take the one underneath, fold it over and turn. And again, the one underneath, fold over and turn. You'll see we've now created a cross shape. Take the one underneath, pull it towards you, up and over to join the next straw, and repeat. Pulling the straw towards you first helps to crease the paper straw so it folds quite neatly. Whilst you're holding with your left hand, try not to put too much pressure on the paper straws because you don't want to squash them. We're going to keep working round, folding up and over to join the next straw. You can see the spiral shape starting to form. For the next job, we're going to take the bottom one, and when we place it on top of the next straw, we're going to go directly on top. We're going to do that 4 times. Now when we weave, we take the bottom one and we're going to go to the left of the next straw. So remember, pull towards you, up and over, and to the left of the next straw. What that does is to take the weaving in. So the first bit of weaving we did made the seed sculpture grow larger. By placing on the top, it made it grow straight, and by placing to the left, it makes it go smaller. So you get a nice rounded shape. We're almost coming to the end of our straws. Take that last one, make sure that it sits on top. Squish it, and instead of going on top, we're going to go underneath. Push it in quite firmly till it's holding nice and steady. And there you have it. The next step is just to trim the excess pieces of paper tube. Be careful with your scissors and just trim. Now for the next step, we're going to design our different parts of our leaves. So you can create whatever you want, use your imagination, or you can have a look at a seed in nature and try and replicate it with your pipe cleaners. So I'm going to be making the maple seed, which has these two lovely pieces of leaf that come out of the top. Pipe cleaners are so lovely to bend, and to join two together, you just overlap them and twist them around each other. I'm just going to twist the pipe cleaner around just to secure it, and then I can start working in the middle piece. I give it a little bend here and there to get the pattern that I want, and then to finish off I just simply wrap that little end around the pipe cleaner to secure it. Inside your woven paper you'll see some of the straws, and that's where you can poke your pipe cleaners, and then it will hold your leaf part nice and snugly. And there we have it, a maple seed. I hope you've enjoyed making your paper seed sculpture with me, and why not have a look at some of the other seeds that we find in nature from our trees and create your very own seed sculpture. Thank you for watching.